everybody, welcome back to Zevaulia with me, Zeva. It's been, I think, over a century. No, it's been like around a year since I made a video about makeup. I know there are among my subscribers out there that are wondering, trying to find inspo and feedback and ideas of makeup brands that are vegan friendly and or cruelty free as well. Because I know there are a lot of us out there that are very much into makeup and everything, and we're really relying on the current brands out there even though they are not cruelty free and / or vegan friendly. But don't worry about that. This is why I am here. I'm going to be reviewing a palette, a lip palette to be exact, by a brand called BYS. If you don't know what BYS is, because of course it's not as popular as the bigger names out there, but BYS is an Australian brand and they are both vegan friendly and also cruelty free. Win-win! And besides those two facts, this brand is super affordable because it is a part of their brand philosophy. They want to make things that are fun, that are affordable, but of course, most importantly, vegan friendly and cruelty free. So this is their Copacabana on-the-go palette. It is super cute, super small, but it's meant to be this compact size because it's an on-the-go palette. So it's meant to be very easy and versatile for you to bring anywhere you travel. This comes in 6 colors and it has red and also pink hues. Isn't that so cute? There are various colors here from deep red until the more mauvey and also brownish pinks. I'm going to be trying all of these on. As you can see here, the color is very flexible. It can fit in various skin tones. And the cool thing about this is that you can mix them up. So even though that it officially is 6 colors, you can actually create more than just 6 colors from this one palette alone. And today, just to make things a bit more fun, I am going to be creating additional colors based on this palette. So I'm going to be showing you what these 6 colors look like on my lips, and then I will also invent feeling a bit Einstein today. So I'm going to be mixing a few of these colors and creating new colors. So there will be 12 colors in total, not just 6. As you can see, it also comes with a lip brush, a double-ended lip brush, and it also has quite a large full-size mirror that is very useful whenever you want to touch up your face when you're traveling or wherever you are. Whoa, this is really creamy, by the way. Super creamy. Ah, nice. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? The colors are popping on my skin. I'm not sure whether this is going to be transfer proof or not, but we'll be seeing that soon. So this is the first color. It actually turned out more brighter on my skin than I expected. This one is the second color. I'm not very sure if this fits with my skin tone. This looks more paler on my skin, or do you think this works? What do you all think? This is the third color and I can already tell that I'm going to be using this color frequently. Isn't it gorgeous? It fits my skin tone, and just look at this. This is the fourth color. This is more of a neon pink, like a Barbie pink. It's not really the color that I usually go for, but I think it can work when I'm feeling very light, airy, happy, and youthful. Extra youthful. I'm still youthful, by the way. This is the fifth color. On the palette, it's like an orange color, but on my lips, with my base pigment of my lips, it's more of a mix between terracotta, but more brighter into the orange. And this is the 6th color, bright red lip. You can never go wrong with this kind of red. so those are the 6 colors from BYS's Copacabana lip palette. I love the velvety smooth texture. The colors are gorgeous, and a few of the colors I had to reapply it because it was a bit too light for my basic pigment of my lips. For example, the first one I had to do a few extra layering, and also the orange one, and also, oh yeah, the second one as well, I had to do a little extra more layering. But for the third, the fourth, and the 6th color, it went on really thick and nice. And now, is it transfer proof? I don't think so because it's not a matte, obviously, but we'll see. Let's just imagine my hand here is a glass cup. You know, when you're drinking and you get those transfers, sometimes it's really embarrassing. Like when you're on a work meeting or like you're meeting a friend and then you take a sip of your cup and there's the transfer on the cup. Sometimes it gets a bit embarrassing. I don't know if it's just me, but what about you? Do you get embarrassed as well? I do, but let's see. Do you wanna go out? Of course, it's not transfer proof. Okay, whenever you're wearing this, just make sure, if you're conscious like me, when you're taking a cup and then there's like lipstick on the cup, just take like a napkin or something, like a small napkin, or even these reusable cotton pads with you. But is it still worth to buy? Yeah, of course, I don't regret buying this. And by the way, this is super smooth, like. It's so smooth. Also, a tip for me, if you want your velvet lipstick to last longer after you apply on your lips, use tissue or like napkin and then kind of go like that on it, and there'll be a transfer, right? And then you can reapply it to add another layer, and that will last you longer. And with less transfers too. Now that we've done the 6 official colors, let's start experimenting and create 6 more shades. To mix the colors, I'm going to be using my UN coaster. I have shifted the function of this not for hot drinks, but for mixing my makeup. And also, I'm going to be using this brush here. So let's start mixing.
To the moon, I've been finding truth in the way that you go, baby, go, grow, baby, grow. Don't leave it all for the other side, and just don't, baby, love, don't do let go, hanging on for another love. So it go, baby, go, grow, baby, grow. Don't leave it all for the other side.
So those are my BYS Copacabana on-the-go palette for you. I hope you enjoyed all those swatches on my lips. The original colors are so pretty and versatile, but I have to say, when I mixed all these shades together in various duos, I found a few gorgeous colors that really suited my skin tone. I do highly recommend you to mix and match these colors, because who knows, you will find the perfect shades that are not already on the palette. All you need is something to mix these colors on, and also use a spatula or anything else that can help you retrieve the colors from this pot. And by the way, if in the future you've already finished all these colors in this palette, don't throw the palette away, because guess what? You can melt any lipsticks that you have into the pot. And your full-size lipsticks can be an on-the-go lipstick. So eco-friendly. See, when you subscribe to my channel, like, this mindset will be trained. That's one of the benefits when you're an eco-friendly living enthusiast. Like, you get more creative than the average person. So, end verdict, do I recommend this palette? Yes, I definitely recommend it. This is totally recommended, especially if you want to unleash your creativity. Like me, unleashing my inner Picasso. By the way, I bought this UN coaster when I went to the UN headquarters a few years ago. They have a gift shop and this is one of the things that I bought at the time. Now it's like a mixing palette. Hope you like the swatches and the additional 6 colors, so 12 colors overall from the original 6. This is affordable, it's vegan friendly, it's cruelty free. It's definitely worth the buck. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video, and I will see you in the next video.
Used to have